So just as a side note, I've never made this before. I'm trying it for the first time with you guys. I just had a feeling that it would taste nice. So let's give it a taste. Hey super foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Angeli. Christmas may be over, but the festivities aren't stopping there. We're gonna keep them going with this next recipe. Let's just get started. Okay, we are gonna start, where do I start? So, with this NutriBlend. Today we're gonna be making a healthy take on a Christmas milkshake recipe. For that, we're gonna need my NutriBlend, NutriBullet, Magic Bullet, any kind of blender that you've got. Just take off the blade and pop that there. So, to begin with, I'm going to add 1 banana, and I'm just gonna add it in chunks. Okay, let's roll these up. Next, I'm gonna add these avocados. I'm gonna cut it in half, and you guys don't have to cut it this way. I'm comfortable doing it this way. If you're more comfortable using a chopping board, please make sure that you do that. So I'm just peeling the skin off. Oh look, it looks like, oh no. I thought the whole thing was gonna come off. It's all right, just peeling it off. 2, 3, 4, that's it. We're gonna put that in there. So we can do the second one, same again. I'm just gonna peel. There we go. That's our avocado and banana. Next, I'm gonna add a handful of spinach. There. And you can push it down. If it's a little easier, you can chop the avocado up too. I'm just gonna pack it with spinach, and then I'm gonna add kale as well. And this is gonna make this recipe a little bit healthier. It's all good to make milkshakes, smoothies and juices, but the thing that makes them healthier is adding in vegetables. So we've packed this with spinach and kale to add that balance, because avocado is higher in fat but good fats, and the banana is higher in sugar, so I won't be adding any sugar to this recipe. Speaking of healthy, next we're gonna add the tasty part to this, which is chocolate. I've got here these Matchmakers, and they're going to add the peppermint minty taste to this recipe. I'm gonna add 10 of these. I'm just gonna slide them in to the sides, wherever there's a space. I've lost count already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there's a few broken. I'm just gonna add more. I'll probably add about 15 in total, 15 or 20. You really want the peppermint taste to come out, so I'm gonna add it. You can smell it. It's pretty strong. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 150 grams of dark chocolate. I'm gonna add 2 bars. Each bar is approximately 20 grams, so I'd say that's 40 grams. Okay, I'm gonna add another half of this, so that will be about 50 grams in total. I'm just gonna push it all down, because there's lots of air gaps where the bananas are. So next, we're gonna add milk. You guys can substitute all the dairy products in this recipe for vegan alternatives. You could use a soy-based or a nut-based milk. You could use vegan chocolate. The only thing is the matchsticks. You might have to find a vegan mint chocolate to replace that one with. But I'm gonna add semi-skimmed milk, and we're gonna fill to the max line. And obviously the more milk you add, the less thick the milkshake will be. It's up to you guys on what kind of consistency you like. I like it thicker, so I'm gonna start with this much, and we're gonna see what happens. I have a feeling it's pretty packed, so it's gonna be quite a thick milkshake. But I'm gonna keep this out in case I need some more. Let's put the lid on. Nice and tight. Get our machine. It's basically like a paste. So I'm gonna add a little bit more milk. But it's a really nice, like, chocolatey green color. It kind of looks a bit like the Grinch. Like the Grinch kind of green. And we'll see, it's very, very smooth. It looks like Nutella, but with a bit more texture and a little bit of green. We'll give it a stir because I can see there's a bit of green at the bottom. Yeah, everything's broken up, everything's mixed together. Pretty gloopy. I think that those are chocolate chunks that are falling in. Tastes really nice. So here are our finished milkshakes. I'm gonna decorate these with chocolate chips. And with these little marshmallow snowmen, which are so cute, which I got from Asda. How cute is that? I'm gonna add a little penguin to this one. There. And the straws. Ta-da! And there we have it. Our milkshakes are ready. Let's give it a taste. It tastes really good. What I would say is, if you don't like banana, don't use banana, use an extra avocado because the banana taste is very strong. I think it overpowers the peppermint a little bit. So what I personally, according to what I like, what I would probably do is use 3 avocados and just take out the banana next time. But it's still really nice and it's something different. You can't taste the vegetables, which is a thumbs up for any of you guys that have got kids that don't like vegetables. But I would definitely be making this again for Christmas, for my family. Let's see how they find it. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment down below any recipes that you guys want to see. They could be Christmas recipes ready for next year. I can get started on them from now. Subscribe for more recipes like this. And make sure you guys click the bell icon and share with your family and friends and anybody that you think would enjoy this recipe. And you can go check out my Instagram, angeli.parrot, for more videos and fun tips and tricks and just lifestyle hacks on everything and anything. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.